A family member recently showed me a video on social media and said, "Can you believe this?"
Never throw away a brown avocado, my friend. This is the most powerful fruit in your kitchen. The browner it gets inside, the more powerful it becomes. Most people toss it the second they see brown. That brown color means the glutathione has fully activated. It targets cellular damage and protects your liver from everyday toxins.
The video looked professional, the person speaking sounded confident, and the message seemed very helpful. And if you were just scrolling quickly, it would be very easy to believe. But after watching it for just a few seconds, I thought, something is not right here. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Because fake, misleading, and AI-assisted videos are showing up everywhere now. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, WhatsApp, you name it. And here's the important thing to understand. The problem is not always that a video is completely fake. Sometimes the bigger problem is that a video is partly true, but it twists the facts, leaves out important information, or makes the claim sound much bigger than it really is. But this is exactly why we need to be careful. A video can look professional and still be misleading. A person can sound confident and still be wrong. And a video does not have to be 100% fake to cause confusion. So in this video, I want to show you 7 simple ways to slow down, check what you are seeing, and protect yourself before you believe something or share it with someone else. And do not worry, this is not going to be technical. You do not need to know how these videos are made. You do not need to be an expert. I'm going to explain this in plain English. Let's use that avocado video as our example. The video claimed that when an avocado turns brown, that means it is no longer just food, it has somehow become medicine. It also suggested that the brown avocado had special benefits for the liver and for the body. Now, before I go any further, let me be very clear. The person in this video is AI generated. There are a few warning signs. The lip sync and mouth movement do not look completely natural. His eyes have that slightly empty or dead-eye look that we sometimes see in AI generated faces. His facial expression stays almost frozen, his posture barely changes throughout the video, and the voice has a flat, monotone quality without the natural pauses, breaths, and small changes in emotion that real people usually have when they speak. Those are all telltale signs that the person we are watching may not be a real person at all. But here's the important part. As AI gets better, these signs will become harder to notice. The lip sync will improve, the mouth movements will look more natural, the facial expressions will become more realistic. The voices will sound more human. So while it is useful to look for visual and audio clues, we cannot rely on those clues alone. The bigger question is still this: is the information being presented actually true? Because even if a video looks real, sounds real, and feels convincing, it can still be misleading. And even if the person speaking is AI generated, the real danger is not just the fake face or fake voice. The real danger is when false or exaggerated information is presented as fact. So let's go through 7 ways to spot fake or misleading AI videos online, even when it's nearly impossible to determine whether or not the person in the video is AI generated or not. The first thing to look for is a big claim. If a video says something like, "This food cures disease," "This one trick protects your body," "Doctors do not want you to know this," "This simple habit will change your health overnight," you should pause. That does not automatically mean the video is fake, but it does mean you should not accept it immediately. In the avocado example, the video was not simply saying a slightly brown avocado may still be okay to eat. That would be a much more reasonable statement. Instead, it suggested that a brown avocado becomes medicine and protects your liver. That is a much bigger claim.
It targets cellular damage and protects your liver from everyday toxins.
Now, most of us already know that foods can change color. Apples, bananas, and avocados all turn brown. That often happens when the food is exposed to air. That does not mean the food has suddenly become medicine. Sometimes food may still be safe to eat after a little browning. Sometimes it may be overripe. Sometimes it may be spoiled. But we should be very careful when someone turns a normal food change into a miracle health claim. So the first question to ask is this video making a big claim without giving strong proof? If the answer is yes, be cautious. The second thing to check is the source. Ask yourself, who posted this? Is it from a doctor, a hospital, a university, a trusted news source? Or is it from a random social media page that posts shocking videos every day? This matters because anyone can post a video now, and with AI tools it is easier than ever to make something look polished. A video can have a nice background, clear captions, calm music, and a confident voice, but that does not mean the information is true. In the avocado video, the person sounded confident, but confidence is not the same as evidence. That is an important sentence to remember. A video can sound very sure of itself and still be wrong. So before you believe a video, look at who's behind it. If there is no clear source, no real qualifications, no reliable link, and no way to check the claim, treat it as unverified. You do not have to attack the person. You do not have to argue in the comments. Just slow down and say, I need to check this before I believe it. The third red flag is emotional manipulation. Many fake and misleading videos are designed to make you feel something very quickly. They may try to make you feel shocked, scared, angry, hopeful, even embarrassed. They want you to think, I need to share this right now, or I cannot believe nobody told me this before. That is exactly how misinformation spreads. The avocado video had that feeling. It made it sound like people were making a big mistake by throwing away brown avocado because apparently that was the part with special healing power. That kind of message can make people feel like they have discovered a secret, and social media loves secret information. But real health information usually does not need to sound like a secret. Real information can be checked, it can be explained clearly, and it does not need to pressure you into believing it immediately. So the third question to ask is this video trying to make me react before I think? If yes, slow down. That pause can save you from sharing something false. The fourth way to spot fake or misleading videos is to look for proof. A trustworthy video should give you some way to check the claim. For example, does it mention a study? Does it name a credible expert? Does it link to a reliable source? Does it explain where the information came from? Or does it simply make a claim and expect you to believe it? In the avocado video, the claim sounded scientific. It used health-related language, but sounding scientific is not the same as being scientific. This is something AI-generated content can do very well. It can use impressive words that sound official. For example, videos may see things like activates healing compounds, targets toxins, repairs cellular damage, boosts your immune system. Those phrases sound powerful.
That brown color means the glutathione has fully activated. It targets cellular damage and protects your liver from everyday toxins. The healthy fats become fully bioavailable. Your brain and heart absorb them instantly. The vitamin E and lutein are at their highest. This is literally medicine for your eyes and your skin.
But we need to ask, what does that actually mean? Where is the proof? Who says so? If the video gives no source, no evidence, and no way to verify the claim, be careful. You do not have to be rude about it. You can simply say, that sounds interesting, but I need proof. The fifth tip is very practical. Search the exact claim. Do not just search for a broad topic. For example, if the video is about avocados, do not only search avocado health benefits. That is too broad. Instead, search the exact claim. You could search, does brown avocado become medicine? Or, is brown avocado better for your liver? When you search the exact claim, you are more likely to find out whether the video is telling the truth, exaggerating, or repeating nonsense. And you do not have to spend an hour researching. Often, just a quick search from a few reliable sources can tell you a lot. For health topics, look for information from places like major medical websites, food science sources, government health websites, and if you cannot find the claim anywhere except in short social media videos, that is a red flag. It does not automatically prove the claim is false, but that does mean you should not treat it as fact. This is one of the easiest habits to build. Before sharing, search. Before believing, check. The sixth tip is this: be extra careful with health, money, and fear. Some topics are more serious than others. Health is one of them. Money is another. So are legal issues, government benefits, safety warnings, and breaking news. Why? Because bad information in these areas can actually hurt people. If someone believes a fake health video, they might ignore real medical advice. If someone believes a fake money video, they might lose money. If someone believes a fake government benefits video, they might give personal information to the wrong website. So when a video talks about health, money, or fear, your guard should go up. In the avocado example, the video made a health-related claim.
That brown color means the glutathione has fully activated. It targets cellular damage and protects your liver from everyday toxins.
That means we should be more careful than if the video were simply saying, here's a tasty avocado recipe. A recipe is one thing, a medical sounding claim is another. And this is a good rule. Use social media for ideas, but do not use it as your doctor, your lawyer, or your financial advisor. You can use a video as a starting point. You can say, that is interesting, I'll look into it, but do not let it be the final answer, especially when your health, your money, or your safety is involved. The seventh tip may be the most important one. Ask yourself, okay, what is being left out? Many misleading videos are not completely false. They may contain a small piece of truth. For example, it may be true that avocados contain nutrients. It may also be true that a slightly brown avocado is not always dangerous to eat. But the video can take those small truths and stretch them into something much bigger. That is where people get fooled. Because when part of the video sounds true, we may assume the whole thing is true. But we need to ask, what is being left out? Is there another explanation? Is the video making a normal thing sound more dramatic than it is? In the avocado example, the simple explanation is that avocado turns brown because it reacts with oxygen. That is common with many foods. The video left out that important explanation and replaced it with a much more exciting one. That is a classic warning sign. The truth is often less dramatic than the social media version. This is very important. A video can contain a little truth and still lead you to the wrong conclusion. So before you believe or share a video, especially one that makes a surprising claim, ask yourself these 7 questions. Who posted it? Is the claim too big or too dramatic? Is it trying to scare me, shock me, or rush me? Does it give proof? Can I find the same claim from reliable sources? Is it about health, money, safety, or fear? And what might be missing from the story? You do not have to become an expert, you just have to pause for a moment. That pause can protect you. It can also protect the people you care about. Because when we share something that is false or misleading, even with good intentions, we may accidentally help spread it. And that is not something to feel ashamed about. These videos are designed to look convincing. The goal is not to blame people for being fooled. The goal is to help all of us get better at spotting the warning signs. Can AI help you check a video? Now, since this channel is about learning AI, you might be wondering, can I use AI to help me check if a video is true? The answer is yes, but carefully. You can ask AI to help you think through the claim. For example, you could type, I saw a video claiming that brown avocado becomes medicine and protects the liver. Is that accurate? Please explain in simple terms and tell me what reliable sources I should check. That can be helpful. AI can help explain confusing claims. It can help you make a list of questions. It can help you understand what to search for. But remember, AI should not be the final judge. Use AI as a helper. Ask it to explain, ask it to help you think, ask it to suggest what sources to check. But for important topics, especially health or money, check reliable sources too. AI can help you slow down and think, but you still need to verify. So was the avocado video fake? Yes. The person in the video was AI generated, and the health information being presented is misleading. But that is exactly why this example is so useful. It shows us 2 things at the same time. First, AI can now create people who look and sound real enough to fool us if we are scrolling quickly. And secondly, a fake-looking video is not the only problem. The bigger danger is when false or exaggerated information is presented in a calm, confident way that sounds believable. In this case, the video mixed a little bit of truth with a much bigger exaggeration. Yes, avocados can turn brown. Yes, a slightly brown avocado may still be okay to eat, but no, that does not mean it has magically become medicine or that it is suddenly protecting your liver. That is why we need to be careful. So the next time someone sends you a video that says, you will not believe this, doctors are hiding this, this one simple thing can change your health. Take a breath, don't panic, and don't share it right away. Just ask a few simple questions. Who posted it? Where is the proof? Can I verify it? Does the person look or sound unnatural? And what is being left out? That simple pause can make a big difference. And remember, the goal is not to make us suspicious of everything. The goal is to help us slow down, check the facts, and become more confident in a world where AI-generated content is becoming more common. If this video helped you, please like it, leave a comment, and tell me if you've ever seen a video online that made you wonder, is this actually real? Also, share this with someone who may find it helpful, especially if they are new to AI or worried about fake information online. And subscribe to the channel because we're going to keep learning how to use AI, understand AI, and protect ourselves from the confusing side of modern technology, slowly, clearly, and without the tech jargon. Now, if you want to learn more about how to prompt AI more efficiently, check on the thumbnail that just appeared on your screen. Take care, and I'll see you there.